Consider a 100-story building. We want to pump water to every floor, even to every room, up to the top of this building. For this, first, we will need a well-thought-out plumbing project, an expert engineer staff to design it, and skillful plumbing workers to install them right. Let's complicate this project a little more. Let this installation be such that it can carry water up to every brick of the building. Also, this equipment should be for life. If there is a problem somewhere in the installation, it should repair itself. Do you think such a system exists on Earth? Yes, such a system exists. Buildings that are such engineering marvels are everywhere that our eyes can see. Trees are equipped with such a magnificent system, starting from their roots to the highest peaks. It is a miraculous event that the water that plants need is transported from the soil to the farthest leaves without any external intervention. For example, a 15-meter tall tree can carry half a ton of water from the soil to the leaves and evaporate on a summer day. Trees are equipped with a very detailed system for this perfect activity to take place. Water is transported through a system of ultra-thin pipes that run from the roots of the tree to its trunk and branches. In other words, capillary water pipes were installed inside those hard trunks and branches of the trees. And even billions of ultra-thin tubes with a diameter of about 0.25–0.006 millimeters, and the number of which I cannot quantify in numbers, have extended to the cells. There are hundreds of ultra-capillary tubes per square millimeter, and in some plants, there are around 1,000 ultra-capillary tubes. It takes endless knowledge and ability to place such thin pipes inside hard trunks and to deliver these pipes to every part of the plant, to open and close them again and freshen them every season. These water pipes in question have been created in the most appropriate design necessary to carry the water meters above which are needed by the plants. For this perfect design, tube cells smaller than 1 millimeter are precisely connected to each other. It was considered that there is no air gap between the cells. Cell connection points have been created in harmony with each other in such a way that they do not leak water. Cell walls are designed to be resistant to pressure and decay. A firm design has been considered in order not to damage the pipes against bending and twisting. It has been designed with flexibility to adapt to the growth and development of the plant. So, to place such a pipe system on trees, first of all, it is necessary to know many sciences such as botany, anatomy, morphology, physiology, and biochemistry. It is necessary to have the knowledge of physics to calculate the pressure that water will exert on the cells. It is necessary to be aware of the science of building materials. It is necessary to understand from the science of civil and mechanical engineering, etc. In that case, is it possible for trees devoid of reason and knowledge to design such a system? Or even for structures that we call wood, which even lacks life? Those who claim that this design, which requires a great deal of knowledge, wisdom, and ability, came about by chance as a result of evolution under the guise of science, or that nature created it, are being ridiculous. Then, no one but the owner of endless wisdom, unlimited power, and endless knowledge can make such a system and place it in trees. This means that it is God, the possessor of infinite knowledge, wisdom, and power, who made this design by activating both genes and hormones. In that case, our duty should be to examine, research, and learn the mechanisms of these miraculous events with scientific methods, and to express our admiration by seeing the hand of power behind these events.